My name's Ace Latorna and I work as an online engagement officer at Public Record Office Victoria, State Archives of Victoria, Australia in Melbourne. Very happy to include a submission for a new visualization tool I've co-developed with independent software developer Connell Toohey. PROVisualizer, a tool to help new researchers navigate nearly 100 shelf kilometres of government records dating back to the mid-1830s. The visualization tool can be embedded in any web page free of charge with a simple copy and paste of the code, while researchers can easily share their search results on Facebook, Twitter and by email.
Behind the scenes, the PROVisualizer is powered by RDF. Prov publishes the source data online in the form of over 18,000 XML records. Each record describes a single agency, function or series. An example of an agency might be a school, a government department or a regulatory board. Each agency carries out one or more functions. An example of a function might be education or policing or building regulation. A series is a set of administrative records created by an agency in carrying out a function. These include files of correspondence, collections of maps and photographs, court records, reports of commissions of inquiry, and many other kinds of official records. To produce the linked open data for PROVisualizer, an automated harvester downloads these XML records and converts each one into RDF using an XSLT style sheet. The RDF graphs are then merged together in a Sparkle graph store to produce a web of linked data, which is then queried to produce the network visualization.
Okay, so let's look at some search examples. Imagine you'd like to know if the State Archives contain any photographic collections. Simply search for photograph. The tool enables researchers to quickly understand the scope of the archives and to navigate the myriad relationships between high-level functions of government, as well as the departments that administer those functions, and the thousands of record series those departments in turn have created over time. Or perhaps you're after a will or probate, but need some guidance on where to start looking. A keyword search for just that is your first port of call. PROVisualizer is being used more and more every month since it was introduced on the State Archives beta site in September 2016. It is helping both staff and public in a way to navigate an amazing collection of government records with some incredibly moving and private stories relating to records of immigration and shipping, criminal trials and prisons, premiers and governors, royal commissions, boards of inquiry, wills and probates, and much more. These records hold stories of the key events and decisions that have shaped the history of the state of Victoria, and thanks to tools like PROVisualizer, are being accessed more and more every day.